The Vivo X200 FE. A long-lasting battery, smart AI, a beautiful, colorful screen, 6.31 inches screen, 186 gram weight, two beautiful looking colors, 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel super telephoto camera and 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera with amazing camera results with the best AI technology, 6500 mAh battery, 90 watt fast flash charging, over 25.44 hours YouTube playback, 9.55 hours in gaming. The Dimensity 9300 Plus flagship chipset, ultimate performance engine, 3.4 GHz ultra high clock speed, smart eye protection mode 2.0 designed to relax your eyes, and military grade drop resistance, 4K video streaming, dual stereo speakers, Vivo with Google Gemini, Android 15 Fun Touch OS, customizable system components, improved security, dual privacy protection, optimized performance, smooth experience, and this is Vivo X200 FE. This was a just small introduction. If you want more details, please comment below. Stay tuned, subscribe, press the bell icon.